Hey there! Ever tried designing a home and found yourself staring at a blank screen, unsure where to start? Or maybe you've struggled with turning floor plan sketches into something real, second-guessing every little decision? Designing a home should be exciting, not overwhelming, and that's why Foyr Neo exists, to make 3D home design effortless, fast, and fun. Let's start with the floor plan, because if that's off, everything else falls apart. Normally, you'd have to draw it from scratch, measuring every little detail. But with Neo's floor plan tracing, you can upload any image or PDF and turn it into a precise floor plan instantly. No more guesswork, just an accurate foundation for your design. And what about layouts? Staring at an empty digital room and trying to figure out what goes where is frustrating. With most software, you have to drag and place every single item manually. But Neo? It lets you drag and drop entire pre-designed rooms. Think fully furnished, perfectly styled spaces ready to go in seconds. No need to start from zero. Just pick, tweak, and make it yours. Every room has a different vibe, and in traditional software, switching between spaces is a headache. But in Foyr Neo, every room is an experience. Want a cozy bedroom, a sleek modern kitchen, or a luxurious living space? Neo gives you fully pre-modeled room templates. Just drop them in and customize them your way. Need to resize a room to fit an awkward space? No problem. With Neo's smart tools, you can adjust proportions without messing up the entire layout. Want to change the wall finishes or flooring? Just click, choose, and see the transformation instantly. And when it comes to lighting, Neo has realistic lighting simulation, so you can see exactly how natural and artificial light will play in your space. Because a design that looks good in one light might not in another. Now let's talk about something that sets Neo apart from other tools: 3D exterior design. Most software focuses only on interiors, but Neo lets you design entire buildings. Whether it's a home facade, a balcony, or a stunning landscape, you can model and visualize everything in one place. And if you need accurate architectural drawings, Neo's elevation view instantly generates detailed side perspectives of your design. No manual drafting, just instant precision. Want to go even further? Neo's custom 3D modeling lets you build unique architectural elements, from intricate staircases to custom-built cabinets and ceiling features. No need to settle for generic options. Even if you get the design right, rendering can take forever. Some tools make you wait hours for a high-quality render. Who has time for that? With Foyr Neo's 12K renders, you get 4 stunning views of your room, fully rendered in just 2 minutes. That means no more wasting time waiting for previews, just quick, photorealistic visuals that make your design pop. And if you ever feel stuck, Neo's smart AI assistance is right there with you. Whether it's optimizing layouts, suggesting better furniture placements, or speeding up your workflow, Neo thinks like a designer. So you don't have to figure everything out alone. So why struggle with clunky software, outdated tools, and endless revisions? With Foyr Neo, you can design smarter, faster, and with more confidence. Whether you're working on a new home, a remodel, or a client project, Neo has everything you need, all in one place. And the best part? You can try it for free. Get access to all these powerful features with a 14-day free trial. No commitments, just seamless designing. Ready to see your dream home before making a single change? Click the link in the description and start designing with Foyr Neo today.